You might not believe it, but this one resume trick got me 5 job offers within 1 week. So if you're tired of sending out resume and not getting any response, then you are at the right place. Hello everyone, welcome to School of Management. Myself Vijay Kumar, and today I'm going to reveal the secret trick which got me 5 job offers within 1 week. So let's get started. I will give you the secret trick that's called blast. Create resume that not only look amazing but also shows off your strength and achievement in a very perfect way. So let's turn your resume into a job winning machine. So what is blast? Well, let's start with B. B stand for bullet points. Use bullet point for clarity. Bullet points make your achievement and responsibility easy to scan. Always think of them as a spark notes for your career. Quick and to the point. I turned a paragraph heavy resume into bullet points and saw immediate improvement in response. Trust me, recruiters will love it. Now let's talk about L. L basically stands for layout. Use a professional layout for your resume. Using a clean layout can instantly boost your resume's readability. It's like wearing a suit to an interview. Now check out this example. Before using the layout, it looked like a hot mess. But after I utilize a clean layout, it looks clear and crisp. Big difference, right? Now let's talk about A. A stands for achievements. Quantifying your achievements is crucial for passing your screening test. So, quantify your achievement to make your impact clear. Trust me, numbers speaks louder than words. So, instead of saying improve sales, say increase sales by 30%. Employee loves seeing data because it shows real results. Did you know that resumes that include quantifiable achievements are 40% more likely to catch recruiters' eye? So, including the right info can make or break your job hunt. Now, let's talk about S. S stands for structure. A professional structure and format is key for creating good impression at first sight. A well-structured resume isn't just about looking good. It's your first impression. Think of it like meeting someone new. A messy appearance can be a huge turnoff. Studies show the resume with clean structure are 40% more likely to get noticed by recruiters. And that's why structures matter. It's all about making a lasting impression. Your resume needs to shout, "I am the one" to every employer who sees them. Did you know that recruiters spends only 7 seconds on a resume? So, a clear layout makes those seconds count. Now, T. T stands for template. A right template can make your job application process super easy. Using the right template can save you tons of time and effort. Customize resume template for each job description. Customization is key to pass your screening test at initial stage. Make sure you personalize each section to match your experience and skill. Make it unique and aligned with job description. Here's a bonus tip. Powerful summary statement. A strong summary statement at top of your resume will help you to grab the recruiter attention within a span of seconds. Here is a bad example. Looking for a job. Well, let's rephrase this. So, instead of mentioning looking for a job, you can mention experienced marketer with a proven track record in a digital campaign. So, there you have it. Secret tricks to get you 5 job offers within 1 week. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like and subscribe button and don't forget to share it with your friend. Good luck for your job hunting process. Until next time, stay sharp, stay focused, and let's achieve a job hunting success together. Bye for now.